What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to yet another update on Luna Classic, which I covered I think about 3 days ago. I like to cover Luna Classic. A lot of people are still trading it, as you can see, even though that has dropped down significantly. When I'm saying that, I mean over the last month, you can see that the volume, obviously with that bull run, it was over 1 billion. Then it dropped down to 400 million, then to 200 million. We reached that 200 million a couple of times, and then lately it has been dropping from 150 down to where we are at now at 58 million. So I'm not sure where that's going, but this is very visible in the price. There's not a lot going on. And when there's things going on, it's very volatile. You can see that from all those spikes. So yeah, it's way less volatile than I expected, definitely after these moves. I mean, these moves obviously show the potential for Luna Classic as at least an asset or a crypto to be traded. I don't think Luna Classic has any more utility or value in the crypto industry, just my opinion. I think they do deserve a second chance, but they're not doing that well with it. I don't think there's a lot going on the new Luna 2. I mean, even the volume, or at least the volume, is doing pretty well compared to the market cap. But Luna Classic obviously is just a ghost of what once was. If we take a look at the price, because obviously that's why you're here too, you can see that we've broken below that 10,000 level. That's what I'm naming the prices as. That used to hold as a support, as you can see, also held up to about a week ago. Then we dropped down and we kind of got above that, but we haven't closed above 10,300 anymore after that. You can see that the EMAs are pretty flat, so maybe we're up for some sort of a consolidation, but they also serve as some sort of a resistance, as you can see from here. So what I expect for now is that we'll find resistance there and start to drop down towards this level again at 9,000. 9,000 might actually hold, but next week is going to be a pretty interesting week for the whole crypto markets. If you didn't know, we will have a new interest rate decision coming Wednesday. I think in the morning for the United States, but it's going to be in the afternoon for us Europeans and in the evening for people in Asia. We're going to have that interest rate decision. I mean, it's probably going up to 2.75 or 2.5, but I think 2.75, and that's worse than expected. And that's going to cause Luna Classic to fall down too. I think so, at least. So that's going to make us drop down to this level between 8,000 and 7,500. At this point of time, I at least think so. Maybe I'll do another update on it either tomorrow or the day after to really see what happens in the days leading up to the interest rate decision. But for now, this seems to be the most likely scenario, even if it may take a little bit longer than this, all right? So, because now it looks like within the next few days, we'll be down at 7,500, which could happen with a bad interest rate decision outcome. But if that's just all as expected, I still think this would happen, but then within the next weeks. 2 weeks probably. So that's basically my analysis on Luna Classic. I think try to keep this a little bit shorter. If you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, interest rate decision wise, doesn't matter, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.